So ComCell recently sent me out their car mats, and these are going to be made for a bunch of cars, but specifically today we're going to be installing some in our 2022 Ford Explorer ST here. These mats are going to fit all of the other Ford Explorers in this gen, whether it's a Platinum, just a normal baseline, or the ST. This specific set is actually made for the Explorer with the captain chairs as well. So I'm going to go ahead, remove the factory carpets, and then I'm going to go ahead and install them. I'm going to show you exactly how they fit. So we're going to start off with a quick unboxing here. One of the things that I'm most excited about for this kit is the fact that we have a mat for the entire trunk space. And I have dogs, and right now it's very hard to clean up after them on that carpet. And I honestly think that this is going to protect the car as well. I'll give you guys a closer look of how these are installed. I believe these lanyards go on the actual headrest. I could be wrong. I'll read the instructions and show you exactly how that works. We also have these little ports here that could be cut out. Then we have Velcro all along the edge here to keep it actually planted. So I think this is going to be really helpful for the dogs. All right, so next up, it looks like we have the section that's going to go near the captain chairs. So a very large mat has a bunch of grippy material on there. All right, so correction. I think the last mat was actually for the third row of seats. I think this is the one that's actually going to go on the second row with those captain chairs. Sorry about that. Next up, looks like we have the driver's side. You can see the cutout, and it does look like we have some clip holes right here to keep it in place with the factory clips that are already in the floor of the car. And of course, lastly, we're gonna get the passenger side mat. Looks like laser fitted, and we're gonna go ahead and start installing them one by one. I'll show you exactly how that goes. All right, so we're gonna start with the easiest one and then work our way up. Easiest one's definitely gonna be the passenger side. Literally just slides in. And my car doesn't have a clip there, but there is a spot for maybe some different models that do have the clip. All right, so let's take a look at that fitment. It's actually perfect, no problems there, and it doesn't move around because it fits this entire well. All right, second most easy, we're gonna do the driver's side now. So I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it just popped in the factory little clips down there, and it fits around that pedal fine. Let me show you. So a really clean look, and you can see how it just perfectly bends around the pedal. Next up, we're gonna install the second row. So I went ahead and pushed the front seats up as far as they could go to make this a little easier. And this should just wrap around that center console. So it should look something like so. I need to go over to that side to adjust it just a hair. All right, so take a look at that. That is super clean. It goes over that little hump right there where the drive shaft is, right around that console. And most importantly, it matches this little black interior. So let's see if it moves around, and because it's cut so perfectly, there's nowhere for it to move. So these really do a good job at staying in place, and they're super easy to remove and clean. All right, so we're almost done here. This one's gonna go in the very back. And what I like about this kit, so what I was trying to say before I knocked over the tripod is that we have this really nice walkway here where the mat comes all the way here, protects all of the carpet, which is a really big deal for me. Now just over here, we need to adjust this a little to get it to really fit. So now that I got both the corners in, I think everything is protected. Almost every square inch of this floor is protected. The only thing that's not protected is literally under your seats. So a really cool product. All right, let's do the hardest step. It's the one in the back. It's not that hard though. All right, so for the last step, we're gonna get this into position. Something that I like, when I got this vehicle, I did get this used. I was missing the side panels there. So this will go ahead and cover that up so I have less stuff falling into there. So I'm gonna start actually at the back here and get this all the way to the edge. And now we're going to just fold this down, make sure that hole lines up. We're gonna get the Velcro to stick. And of course you can see these ridges, that's gonna help this all bend when you guys use the open function for the actual chairs. All right, so now that I have this installed, I'm gonna go ahead, raise the seats, and we're gonna raise them. That part just gets folded right where the fabric would normally go, and it locked, so I don't think there's any problems there. Now we're gonna take these and we're going to just tighten it up. I think it's better to tighten it up that way so it stays around the actual headrest. So it should look something like so. Just make sure that Velcro is all in. We're gonna flip this one up, do the same thing, and that completes the install. So now we could push these both back down. You can see no problems with the actual motor movement. And now everything is covered back here. So I think my dogs are gonna love this so much more than what we previously had. So now that we have it all installed, let's take a full look at the entire car. So here's what the back's gonna look like. I think you guys are pretty familiar. We just installed it. Here's what that third row is gonna look like. And from this angle, here's what it's gonna look like from the captain chairs. Looks beautiful, especially when you guys look back there, everything's covered and all matches. And then of course we have the front seats, and I think that these are the most impressive looking. And of course we got the mat down there. So anyways, if you guys are looking for some car mats for your Ford Explorer, or really any car, this seems like a really high quality brand, and I've been really happy with the fitment and the actual material. Nothing seems to move, everything makes sense, and I didn't have to mess around with the fitment. I didn't have to cut anything. So overall, really happy with this product, and that's it for my really quick review and install.